Hi and welcome back to Garden Ninja. Now today I'm going to be sharing some exciting news in that I am designing and building a show garden at this year's RHS Tatton for BBC North West, and the garden is called the Northern Star. And the reason for that is that I'm taking 5 community groups here from the northwest of England and mentoring them to become their very own show garden designers. The garden design is based on the shape of a star, and it's one of a kind in that for the first time ever, I believe, the public can walk around the entire show garden, immerse themselves in the borders and chat with the people that have planted it. Now we've got 5 different diverse community gardens being represented on the Northern Star Garden. The first is an Islamic style paradise garden full of formality. We've then got a bee-friendly wildlife garden showing you how you can incorporate wildlife in a small garden space. We then have a rest and retreat garden full of late season perennials. We then move on to the traditional grow your own allotment, showing what you can pack into a small space. And then last but not least, we've got a diverse food forest mixing trees, edibles and perennials for a real community feel-good space. But of course, it wouldn't be a show garden without my own flavour. In the centre, we've got this chevron-style bed that's full of hardy coastal plants that are really bulletproof if you're short on time in your own gardens. Have you got gardening questions that you need answers for? Well, why not head over to the Garden Ninja forum on my blog, where you can ask me anything about gardens, plants and garden design. There's a whole army of other garden ninjas there that can help provide answers to your questions. It's a really great way to meet the other ninjas, so head over there now. Last but not least, I'm actually growing a huge chunk of the plants here at Garden Ninja HQ because I simply can't find them anywhere else, so I've decided to grow them from seed. So fingers crossed they're all ready in time. But I would love to hear your thoughts on this garden, and also, are you coming to the show? Because it would be great to meet you, for the community gardeners to chat along to you and share their experiences and all the hints and tips and tricks they've learnt along the way whilst being mentored by me, Lee Burkhill, the Garden Ninja. I'm super excited, but I'd best get back to the plants because they're probably going to need water. If you've liked this video, please make sure you check out my YouTube channel where I have hundreds of garden design, hints, tips and hacks to help you make your gardens awesome. Bye for now and see you at Tatton.